Good evening, all everyone. So today we are going to design a new two swimming pool with landings on each sides. So we're going to design that. So go to new project, click on space, give the structure name as, and give it as two swimming pools. Okay, on enter and finish. So now I'm going to go to edit type, click on exit plane. So I'm going to take a few points over here. So like this, by pressing Control, we can go to our another node point, right? Without any selections. Okay. So now we are going to project it, right? So go to translational repeat, about y-axis of 5 meters height, click on link steps and OK. But it is too much of height, right? So we will take off only 3 meters. Calling steps and OK. But we haven't given the direction, right? Click on x direction or y direction of 3 meters, link steps and OK. So now we have designed, right? So we don't need of, so this, we don't need of these down beams, okay? Or also we can remain that for our link beams, okay? So now what we have to do, we have to remove our mesh or the grid. So now we will go to our front view, so we will go to top view. So this is our top view, right? So go to node cursor, select these two nodes, copy and paste about the direction of 2 meters per, okay? So go to 3D. So here now we can see our spans, right? So or else we will take 1 meters, okay? So select this beam, insert node point, select add midpoint and okay, right? Again, so now we will add beams, so we won't get any confusion about this, right? So that we can do a quick one, okay? So I need to project this node point, so I'm going to add a node point over here, insert midpoint, okay? So now take the node cursor, select this midpoint, copy and paste over z-axis about 2 meters. Gone, okay. So right. So now but we have to take this as for only 1 meters. Okay. Now copy and paste about 1 meter. Okay. So right. So we have copied up to 1 meter. So now for this also, right? We are going to copy and paste our z-axis of 1 meter enter. So right. So now we will go to add beam. So select over here. And also we need right, so go to again node cursor, select these two points, copy and paste z-axis about 1 meter and okay. So now we can add our beams, right? So then after over here, so now again add from this to this, from this to this, and here to here. So and again over here, right? Select this one, copy and paste. Z-axis 1 meter, okay. So now go to add beam, select this beam, right? So now again go to node cursor, select this beam and this beam, copy and paste over ZX of another 1 meter. Okay. So now go to add beam, select this one, go this one, and over this one, right? So we don't need for this node point. Okay, you can delete this. So now we need to add a slab over there. So go to front view. So over minus z axis of minus 2 meters. On okay. So much it's too much heavy, right? On paste. Minus 1 meter is enough, right? For the landings. Now select this one and here type copy and paste over +1. Okay. So now we are going to add beams. Okay. So now we have done our sketching part, right? So we have to save our structure. So now we go to general. So now we go to our front view. So now we have to give the supports, right? Go to support, create and add the fixed one, select the support and drag over here. So if you go to 3D, so you will be able to see the supports, right? Con assign to selected nodes, con assign. So all our supports have been assigned, right? So this is for our height of how much? It is of 3 meters, right? So now we are going to take our pool as 1.5 depth, right? So for that conditions, so we are going to add the insert a midpoint for every node, every beam, right? So at node point add midpoint, okay, and over here insert node point, add midpoint, okay, over here insert node point, midpoint, okay, and over here add node point, add midpoint, okay, so and over here too, right? So node point, add midpoint. So we have done this. So it's time for our 4 node plate, right? So now select the plates over here. So we'll select. So if we select here, we won't be able to see anything, right? So now we will add all these 4 node plates. If we go to 3D, so here we can see, so these parts we have left for our plates, right? So now again go to corner plate, add a corner plate over here. So now if you see, we have done our, so this is remaining, okay. So like this we can see which part we have done and another which part we haven't done, okay. So we are done with our plates, okay. So we need to add the beams over here. So we'll add one beam over here also for our support. So now we need to define our properties, right? So go to property. So go to define. Take the rectangles. So along the z-axis, I'm going to take the width as 4.5, width as 3.5. And along the z-x-axis, we're going to take as the same cross section, okay. And again for our columns, we're going to take it as 4.5 by 4.5, okay. Add and close. So select that, select beams parallel to Y, assign and S. So now this for the Z, right? Select beams parallel to Z, assign and S. This one for our remaining parts. So this thing, no, it will select all, right? Beams parallel to, select beams parallel to X, assign and S. If you go to 3D, so we can see over like this, right? So now we need to add the thickness, right? Select the thickness. I'm giving the thickness of 0.3 meters. On add and close. Assign to view, assign and S. Now we will go to our 3D. So now we are filled with our section, right? With the thickness. In the next video, we will be seeing the loading conditions, right?